The creative dashcam that has been developed is the result of the STONKAM team's focus on improving AI algorithms. It is outfitted with GPS, Wi-Fi, and 4G. It also makes links to ADA's driver assistance systems possible, which among other things can identify traits like lane departure and weariness. With its integrated speaker and microphone, it records video in 2K quality and performs exceptionally well at night. WDR technology ensures that crisp images are seen even in dimly lit environments. Additionally, parking becomes much simpler with the addition of a rear-view camera, and managing all these features is made much easier. Additionally, cameras have released a smartphone app. This dashcam is available for $473. Let's discuss the tire pressure monitoring system, ARB Links. Using the touchscreen, you can effortlessly change the tire pressure with this system. You may even select from preset numbers. ARB Links can activate the compressor as needed and will sound an alert to the driver when the desired pressure is attained. Truckers and RV owners will find it useful, as it can handle up to 24 tires. Additionally, the GPS-based speedometer mode on the ARB Link screen allows for speed determination. The basic ARB Links costs $623, but it also has features like an inclinometer suspension setting and the ability to operate up to 6 accessories independently, like fog lights and ignition. Is $1,300 too much money for a steering wheel? Let's resolve this. The maker, TDD, unveiled a brand new style of steering wheel, including a compact, useful, and vibrant screen. Numerous data can be shown on the LCD, including battery charge, speed, temperature, and RPM. The smartphone app lets you change the settings. Along with measuring engine revolutions, the screen's side illumination adds style and functionality. The steering wheel is composed of leather and Japanese carbon fiber. The $2,300 model is made specifically for the BMW i8. Why is the wheel locking system on power trucks so effective? It's only a matter of believing in the fundamentals of science. Fancy marketing is not necessary. For maximum effectiveness, the makers have cleverly paired a serrated store with a unique restraining plate. If the car tries to move without the driver's help, Power Chocks quickly lock the tire in place. Power Chock is simple, efficient, and patent pending. But what sets it apart even more is its amazing 22,680 kilogram load-bearing capacity. Power Chock is a great option for both truck and trailer applications, according to the business. And it also comes with an amazing 5-year warranty that is unrivaled by any rivals. Include a signaling system that can tell the truck driver when the trailer is still being loaded as an extra safety element. And when it's appropriate to pursue getting married, Tony Brown loved off-roading, but on lengthy routes, his Land Rover's bumper or trunk would frequently sustain damage. Weary of this, he established ARB, which is currently Australia's biggest producer of off-road vehicle modifications. Check out the amazing driving lights that ARB and the Nacho Off-Road Technology team have created. With each headlamp, they have strong LEDs, and the best model's IP68 protection allows it to produce up to 10820 lumens. For 30 minutes, these lights can operate in depths of up to 1.5 meters and across rivers with ease. An other noteworthy attribute of the ARV is that it costs $450 and includes lens covers for smoke and amber to alter the color of the light instead of 2 headlights. Another fantastic product for campers is the EM303A. Parking caravans and trailers is a breeze with this equipment. Even if it weighs 34 kilograms without the battery, the purchase is well worth it. Just observe how simple the remote control is to operate. It can pull trailers weighing up to 1,800 kilograms and travel at speeds of up to 9 meters per second. Each unit costs $1,552, but if you have a dual axle model, it's advised to buy 2 of them. Regardless of the weather, this is an investment that will make you happy all year long. With just a simple connection into the OBD2 port, Smart Diagnostics is the first vehicle health scanner in the world to use artificial intelligence algorithms to detect and identify over 50,000 potential issues in vehicles. Its clever system compares the behavior to a fully functional model and detects the make. Unexpectedly, Smart Diagnostics works with vehicles made from 1996 forward. The maintenance predictions based on your driving style are also wirelessly transmitted to your iOS or Android smartphone together with the diagnostic results. For $550, you can obtain all of these features. The minds concealed behind hitch grip are just as clever. The cost of this instrument is a reasonable $25. But its usefulness is boundless, since it greatly reduces the difficulty of carrying a hitch grip. It has a handle that permits even low distribution and a claw with tungsten carbide components that firmly grasp the hitch ball. Specifically made for 60mm balls, it allows for comfortable handling even with just one hand. Because of the nylon handle, the weight is only 570 grams. Your arms and back are being strained by this unfamiliar moment. The balance greatly exceeds the cost.